Go to Google Chrome and type OmniReview. Click on it, and it will redirect you to your OmniReview account. Next, if you are a first-time user, sign up. If you already have an account, simply log in. You will be taken to your dashboard, where you will see various options. Click on API Key to generate the API key for your review token. Now open a new tab. Click on Manage Extensions, then select Chrome Web Store. Search for the OmniReview extension and click Add to Chrome. Once it is installed, pin it to your Chrome browser for easy access. Now open a new tab and search for the URL from which you want to collect Google reviews. Open the OmniReview extension from the sidebar with a simple click. Next, go back to your OmniReview account, copy the API key, paste it into the extension, and click Save Token. Return to the URL and click on Google Reviews. Once the review window opens, click on Start Review Collection. Slowly scroll down until all reviews are fully loaded. Once all reviews are collected, you will see a message on the OmniReview extension saying Finished Fetching Reviews. Now click on Save Reviews on Server and wait for a minute until you receive the message Saved Reviews Successfully. Next, go back to your OmniReview account and click on All Reviews. You will see that all the reviews have been successfully collected in your account. This is how you can easily collect Google reviews. Let's see how to create widgets. Click on Create Widgets, and it will redirect you to a window where you will see the option to create a widget for your website. Add a name to your widget. For example, let's name it Test Widget. Now go to the Review Source section. Select the platform from which you want to fetch reviews. Click on the Add button. You will see a live preview on the left side. You can change the review display pattern based on your preference. Available options include Gallery, Badge, Pop-up, and FOMO. As you select each pattern, you'll be able to see the changes side by side in real time. This live preview helps you decide which style works best for your website. Simply choose the pattern you like, and it will be applied instantly. Once you're satisfied with all the settings, go ahead and save your changes. After saving, click on My Widgets, where you'll be able to see the widget you've just created. Simply click on the Copy option, and the shortcode or complete HTML code will be copied automatically. This code contains the full widget setup and can be used anywhere, whether it's a WordPress website or a custom-coded website. In this case, we're using WordPress. So, open the post or page where you want to display the reviews, add an HTML block, paste the copied code into it, and save the page. Once that's done, you'll be able to see the reviews displayed live on your post or page. You can see the customer reviews displayed at the top of the page. If you would like, you have the option to change the position of the custom HTML block from the top to the bottom of the page. This decision is completely up to you and depends on where you feel the reviews will look best and provide the most value to your visitors. If you prefer the reviews to appear at the bottom, simply move the HTML block accordingly, and the reviews will automatically display there. Both placements are fully supported, so you can choose based on your design preference, content structure, and overall user experience. Please feel free to place the reviews wherever they align best with your website's layout and visual flow. Thank you for watching this video.